If you've been selling any type of service or product for just about any period of time, you have heard a prospect say, "It's too expensive," or "Your price is too high." Most salespeople and business owners will be struck with fear when they hear these words. But why? Isn't it expected that the prospect is going to want to negotiate, pay the lowest price, and get the best possible service or product for it? In this video, we will cover how to be prepared for the inevitability of the dreaded "you are too expensive" objection. Be sure to hang in there because I promise to give you some great nuggets that you can use today when you are out selling. Selling is a dance that was choreographed by salespeople over 60 years ago. Not much has changed in the buyer-seller dance in that period of time. Salespeople have given the same lame lines to the buyer, expecting that they will just fall for it. You know the lines, "This price is only good until Friday," or "Let me tell you all about why my product is the best," or "My favorite. If you approve today, we can give you a 10% discount on the first month's service." Guess what, folks? The buyer knows the script, and they know that they can get it for less because you suck at your job. You are weak and are giving the buyer the lead instead of leading the buyer through the buying process. They know it, and they are ready to strike. Here it comes. Your price is too high. Let's dissect this for a moment. Your price is too high is a statement, not a question. That seems odd. When is the prospect making this statement? Is it near the end of a presentation meeting? Is it after they have made buying statements? Have they asked good buying questions that you have been all too happy to answer? Typically, this is the final statement in a buyer's arsenal, and if they are saying it, they want to work with you. They just want to win. Has a prospect ever told you your price was too high? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We upload videos every Wednesday, including a podcast where we share lots of important industry information. Thank you. So let's switch the thought process here for a moment. Is there a winner and a loser in a sales meeting? There certainly shouldn't be. It should be a win-win. Your role is simple. Listen to the prospect, find the reason they need your service, ask more questions, find a real solution, price your services fairly, and be ready to present your solution. The problem lies in your thinking that you need to win this deal over the prospect. If it is, you lose. Your role is to present a solution with a fair price. Be prepared to explain how you got to that price if necessary, and direct the prospect to a decision. That decision is a yes, no, or a clear next step. Any other outcome, you have failed to be a professional. Sounds a bit different, right? That's because it is. Now back to the objection. It is too expensive. As I stated before, this is a statement and does not require an answer. You are confident in the price and your solution, so why be afraid? Don't be afraid. This is a final buying process statement. You have two choices, and only two choices. One, just sit there and wait. That's right, just look at them and wait. They will make the next move because you are not required to answer an unasked question. I admit I have used this technique only a few times, and it is magical. After about 20 seconds of an awkward silence, the buyer will start talking and explaining why they have to stay within a budget, and that they really don't want to pay more because you are all the same, and why pay more if you're all the same? Or they will talk themselves out of the statement, and you are in business. It is truly magical. The other option is to repeat the statement and ask them what they mean by it. It sounds like this. "You said our price is too high. What do you mean by that?" Here's where things get interesting. Most of the time, it will be something to do with the scope of work and what they don't have in their building, and they don't want it, so why should they pay for it? I get it. We need to reduce the service so that we can meet your budget. We can do that, but we will never reduce price to get a deal. Less service equals lower price. Let's get the scope correct, and the price will match up. Win-win. I promise you that if you use this technique, you will find out so many things about price that you will never lowball an account to win it again. Remember, you asked the right questions, you found the prospect's true issues and needs, developed a solution that will solve their problems, and are ready to present all of those solutions at a fair price. Be confident in your pricing and stand by it. You are a win-win winner, not a win-lose loser. In our business, a win-win is the only way to sustainably grow your business. Know your price, believe in it, and never waver. Your price is just right. Until next time, we'll see you later.